One thing I like about my skincare routine is its simplicity and its effectiveness. I use this particular soap to massage onto my face before going to a shower. This soap helps in treatment of dark spots, stubborn pimples, and anything on your face. Then I'll go in with my vitamin C serum, and in that currently I use the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Massage it onto your face and make sure that they sync properly before you apply your face cream. Next is to go in with my face cream, which is my brand face cream. It contains sunscreen and anti-aging property, which helps to even out your face, protect your skin from the free radicals, and give you a very clear skin tone. Then I will go in with my body lotion. This body lotion also helps to lighten up your skin and brighten up your skin. Okay, so it also contains sunscreen as well. After massaging it onto my skin, I will as well use my sunscreen. Even though some of our products contain sunscreen, please make sure that you have a normal sunscreen. All right, so it's added advantage for people who don't have enough money to buy a normal sunscreen, but if you do have, please purchase one. Then I just wanted to moisturize my lip before using my deodorant, whatever. So after using it, I will go ahead to massage the sunscreen properly so that it will not leave a white cast, and this is the after effect.